Hey friends, if you wish to fix and repair Microsoft Office 2021, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, before proceeding further, I want you to understand that the Microsoft Office 2021 version is different from the Microsoft 365 version. Okay, so if you have this version, then right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Installed Apps. Okay, and then you can scroll down to Microsoft Office. Wait, I'll search for it. Okay, so I'll find Microsoft Office 2021 here. One is the English US one and one is the English Great Britain one. I'll take the US one. Okay, basically both of them are the same versions. You can pick any one of them. Click on the three dots associated with it and select Modify. Select Quick Repair or Online Repair, whichever is preferable to you. I'll select Online Repair and then click on Repair, and then finally click on Repair once again to start repairing it. But here's what you need to know while you are doing it. It will kind of pause all of your applications, and if you're performing an online repair, it is basically just another way of reinstalling the application. It is very similar to reinstalling the application. It renews everything, it resets all settings, it just redoes everything. And if you're selecting quick repair, it does an offline repair. So the choice is yours, but before performing an online repair, you need to know what exactly happens. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.